Today we will be doing some basic numericals on work and power. So before doing that, we will revise few topics. Okay. So first of all, what is work done? Work done is the product of force and displacement. But the formula for work done is Fs cos theta. This is the formula for work done when force and displacement have certain angle between them. Alright. If force and displacement are in same direction, the formula will be W equals to Fs. But if there is some angle between force and displacement, the work done will be Fs cos theta, where theta is the angle between force and displacement. Now unit of work done, SI unit is joule, CJS unit is org. And the relation between joule and org, 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 orgs. Okay. Now power. Power is the rate of doing work. The formula will be power equals to work by time. So the unit of power, watt. Okay, the unit of power is watt, which we can also say joule per second. CJS unit will be org per second. Okay. Another unit of power, horsepower. 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. Okay. Now I forgot this to write on top. So it's also a work done, but it is a work done due to the force of gravity. Okay, gravitational work done. W equals to mgh. Okay. And now energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Okay. More energy, more ability to do work. Less energy, less ability to do work. And its units are SI is joule, CJS is org, and we can say it as commercial unit. Okay. The electricity which we consume, the electrical energy, it is measured in watt hour or kilowatt hour, and the relation with joule is 1 kilowatt hour equals to 10 to the power 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay. Now heat is also a form of energy, and that energy is measured in calorie mostly, and the relation is 1 calorie equals to 4.18 joule, or simply we can say 4.2 joule. Energy of atomic particles are measured in electron volt, EV. The question will come like this: which physical quantity is measured in electron volt? The answer will be the energy of atomic particles, and its relation with joule is 1 electron volt equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Okay, and now we come to the one of the most important formula for numerical in this chapter, and that formula gives us the relation between power and force. Okay, and of course there is a speed also. The formula is power equals to force into speed or velocity, and this is very important formula for the numerical point of view. Now we will be solving one problem keeping this formula in mind. One example numerical for this formula. The question is, the energy of an electron is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Express it in electron volt. Alright, so let us first write in given the energy. Okay, energy equals to 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. What we have to find out? We have to find out the energy in electron volt. So first let's write like this. We know 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule equals to how much? 1 electron volt. Let us solve this in unitary method. Okay, therefore 1 joule equals to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, okay, electron volt. Therefore the required one is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule equals to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. 10 to the power minus 19, 1.61 2 equals to 2 electron volt. this is our answer. Another numerical which we have out here is related to this formula. Power equals to force into speed. Okay. Alright. A man exerts a force of 100 Newton in pulling a load at a constant speed of 20 meter per second. Calculate the power spent by man. So, given force equals to 100 Newton, speed, I'll let it as V only, 20 meter per second. What we need to find out? We need to find out, power. As we all know, the formula is power equals to force into velocity. So let's write on. We know power equals to force into velocity. Now let's put the value. Or power equals to force is 100 Newton into velocity is 20 meter per second equals to 100 into 20, 2000. Let's write it as watt. So the answer is 2000 watt. Alright, another numerical which we have out here is a weightlifter lifted a load of 200 kgf to a height of 2.5 meter in 5 seconds. 2.5 meter in 5 seconds. Calculate the work done and the power developed by him. Given G is 10 Newton per kilogram. Okay. Since it is given in kgf and G is 10 Newton per kilogram, first we will convert kgf into Newton. Okay. Given, right? Let's write down given force equals to 200 kgf equals to 200 into multiply by acceleration due to gravity. Now it will become Newton. kgf will become Newton if you multiply by acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Equals to 2000 Newton. So first we return force, height. So let's write distance for height is equals to, okay, let's write h only. H equals to 2.5 meter, and what else is given? Time equals to 5 seconds. Calculate the work done. Since the work which you have to find out here is gravitational work done, because the weight is being lifted up. Okay, a load is being lifted up, so the work done is gravitational work done. Since W equals to mgh, it's our working formula out here. Now put the value, or work done equals to mass is, okay, it's force into displacement. Okay, or it is force into displacement. So for force we write down, for in place of mg we write down the force 2000 into displacement is 2.5 meter equals to 2.5 into 2, 5,000. Let's write down joule directly. Okay. Now next, this is for answer. This is answer number 1. For number 2, we have calculate the power developed by him. Since power equals to work by time, or power equals to work, how much is the work we have found just now? 5,000 by given time is 5 seconds. Joule second. 5 1 5, 5, 1000 equals to 1000 joule, 1000 joule per second, or 1000 watt. So the power developed is 1000 watt. This is for answer number 2. Next question which we have out here is, it takes 20 seconds for a person A of mass 50 kg to climb up the stairs, while another person B of same mass does the same in 15 seconds. Compare the work done and the power. Okay, this is one of the most common type of question which comes in ICSE. So there are two persons A and B of same mass. So let's write given like this. Person A out here. Person B. Okay. For person A, mass is 50 kg. Okay. For person B, mass is 50 kg only. I have written M1 and M2 for them. For person A, M1. For person 2, M2. Person A takes time 15 seconds. No, 20 seconds. T1 is 20 seconds. Similarly, T2 is 15 seconds. And let us assume both of them are under the same action of gravity, so they will have same acceleration due to gravity. Let the acceleration due to gravity for first person be g meter per second square. For second person also g2 is g meter per second square. We are assuming that they are under the same action of gravity. Okay, now compare the work done. First, work done for this person is mg, m1, g1, h1. For this person, w2 equals to m2, g2, h2. Now one more thing we have to assume out here. Look, let's read the question once again. It takes 20 seconds for a person A of mass 50 kg to climb up the stairs, while another person B of same mass does the same in 15 seconds, which means they are climbing up the same height, which means h1 and h2 are same. Okay, so let's write out here. Let me write out here. h1 equals to h meter, h2 equals to h meter, because both of them are climbing the same height. Okay, now w1 equals to m1 is 50 into g1 is g, h1 is h. W2 50 into g into h, because same acceleration to gravity, same height and same mass also. Therefore w1 by w2 equals to 50 into g into h by 50 into g into h. Both of them cancels and so on. Therefore, since the question is saying compare, so we will find the answer in ratio. When the question says compare, find the answer in ratio. Therefore w1 is to w2 equals to 1 is to 1. This is for our first part, and second part we need to find the power. Okay, now for person A, power equals to work by time. For person 2, power equals to work by time. Now work is w2 out here. Now work 1. Work 1 which we found out here is 50 into g into h, and the time out here is 20 seconds. Out here 50 into g into h, the time is 15 seconds. Therefore P1 by P2, since we have to compare this also, we'll write like this: 50 into g into h by 20 divided by work power 1 is to power 2. This we have written out here. This will write on the 50 into g into h by 15. This portion cancels out. Next I'll write it out here, or P1 by P2 equals to, now this will go down there, it will go up and it will come there, 15 by 20. 15 by 20, let's cancel it by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Therefore P1 is to P2 equals to 3 is to 4. So this is the required answer for part number 2. This will be the last numerical for today. A boy of weight 40 kgf climbs up the 15 stairs, each 15 cm high, in 10 seconds, and a girl of weight 20 kgf does the same in 5 seconds. compare the work done and the power developed by the energy. The question is common in all the questions have the same thing in them. They are just asking the comparison between the work and the power. Okay, first they have asked us to compare work and again power. Either it's person A and person B, or it's boy or a girl, like that. Now in this question, let us first write down given. Okay, given. So there is a boy, like this, and there is a girl. Okay, a boy of weight 40 kg. So let's write it as W1. Weight is 40 kgf equals to 40 into 10 Newton, because I already said multiply kgf by acceleration due to gravity to get Newton equals to 400 Newton. So for girl, weight will be 20 kgf equals to, now we will find it as it will be force for us now. 20 into 10 Newton equals to 200 Newton. Now the force due to the weight of the boy is 400 Newton. And the force due to the weight of the girl, or the force of the girl, is 200 Newton. The force applied by boy and the girl. A boy of weight 40 kg climb up the stairs. There are 15 steps, each of 15 centimeter height. Okay. Like this, there are 15 centimeters height stairs, and total number of stairs is 15. So total height of the stairs will be 15 into 15 centimeter equals to 225 centimeter. Okay, the total height of the stairs is 225 centimeter, because one stair is 15 centimeter high, but there are 15 more stairs, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. If we add all those 15 stairs, the total height will be 225 centimeter. Since now the problem out here is we have got the answer in centimeter, it is CGS, and all other things are in SI. So we'll convert this height into SI. So we'll convert it into meter. To convert centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100 equals to 225 by 100 meter. Let's keep it like this only. Alright, now height is 225 by 100 meter. Okay, the total height of 15 stairs. Out here also total height of 15 stairs is 225 by 100 meter. While doing an exam, please don't write it out here. You cannot write these things out here. There will be a rough space out there. Draw a line, draw a rough line, and you can write these things out there. Since I have not drawn a rough line out here, so I'm doing in the middle. You cannot do this in the examination. Alright. Now given time is, the time for the boy is 10 seconds, and same thing the girl is doing in 5 seconds, which means girl is a little bit efficient. Alright, let's find out work done. W1 equals to force into displacement. Force, which we have already found, 400 into displacement is 225 by 100 Newton in meter. 00 and this cancels out. 225 into 4 is 900 joule. Now let's find the work done for girl. Force into displacement. Force is 200 Newton. Displacement is 225 by 100 meter. 2 zeros cancels out. 225 into 2, 500 joule. Oh, sorry. What am I doing? 450 joule. Alright, now since the question is saying compare, so we'll compare. Therefore work 1 is to work 2. Their work done is 900 is to 450 equals to 2 is to 1. Okay, how did we get this 2 is to 1? 900 by 450. 45 1 is 45, 45 2 is 90, so it is 2 is to 1. Okay, Now we have to compare their power. So let's find power. Oh boy, power equals to work by time. Work is 900 by time is 10 seconds. What equals to 90 watt. Power for girl is work by time. Work is 450 and for time for her is 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 0 90 equals to 90 watt. So they have same power. Therefore, power 1 by power 2 equals to 90 by 90. Since they have the ratio of same physical quantities, we will not write unit out here. It will cancel and we get 1. Therefore, power 1 is to power 2 equals to 1 is to 1. This is the answer for part 2. So this much for today. Thank you.